Hi everybody, we're continuing our series on how to remodel your fireplace on a budget. Last time we showed you the process, how to start it, how to cut the stone. Now we're going to show you how to finish it off. Our friends from High West Residential Remodeling Specialists join us now to show us more. All right, let's continue.
Okay, so we'll take our second piece, which is right here. We're going to fit this. Now we're going to dry fit this without the glue. Now we want to check for voids. There's a void right here where I can see the drywall coming through the small crack here.
Yes.
So there's a couple ways we can do that. You can paint this whole thing black before you start. It's kind of a waste of paint. We could use black felt paper. I'm personally going to use a roll of black tape. Okay. If you will hold that, please.
That. You've got electrical tape.
And I just have a piece of a roll of electrical tape here. Just pull a small piece off. Tape it directly behind what you want to cover up. Okay, now on this piece I noticed, as we put it up, there's a void right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the piece over and we're going to actually just put a piece of tape right to the back of the tile to cover the void. So we're going to dry fit again. Now we're going to come to the end and mark the end for our end cut. Now what we're going to do is measure for our top filler piece.
Okay.
So now we're going to measure from the top of the stone to the bottom of the mantle. We're going to leave about 1/8 of an inch, so we're not fighting these trying to get these in. Now this product happens to have a pattern in it. It has 3 skinnier pieces, 2 wider pieces. We've installed ours with the 2 wider pieces at the bottom, the 2 skinnier pieces at the top. So as you're building this, you want to make sure that your pattern stays the same. Okay, so this is going to be our finisher piece from the top of the tile to the bottom of the mantle. This is a rip cut. A rip cut is always along the length of the material. A cross cut is at the end of the material. Okay, so we're going to rip this. So then we have our cut. So you'll want to wash this off with some clean water before you install it. Let it dry.
Okay, so while we continue to cut that stone, I'm going to do this. I'm taking out these little attachments to the fireplace that were gold and a little outdated. I'm going to take this high heat Rust-Oleum paint, spray paint. I'm going to sand these down first, then spray them. So now I have an all black fireplace inside the stone. All right, so you have everything cut, ready to lay. We're gonna lay this top row real quick and then let it set for a little bit.
Correct. So we're just gonna glue these pieces in.
All right, so we finished the top row. This looks incredible.
That's awesome.
You're gonna show us how to do the rest ourselves. We're gonna finish the whole process up, and this is amazing.
It is, it's awesome. It looks beautiful. It goes in real super easy, super clean. So we're just gonna take a piece. We're gonna make sure our pattern matches. We got the big ones on the bottom, so little ones. So we're just gonna match this where we want it to cover the old grout line. So we're gonna match it there, and then we're gonna mark it here in line with this cut. We'll cut this, cut a few more of these.
All the way down?
Get ready to install it.
And voila, we have a brand new fireplace for around 100 bucks.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Awesome.
So High West is an elite service contractor with home advisors. If you can't do something like this yourself, you can always reach out to a professional. If you'd like more information on all of this, all you have to do is go to 9news.com/fixthis.